Okay guys, so what I have in my hands is actually the mechanical field keyboards. So first we will unbox and we will check out what this mechanical feel thing is. I have no idea. Mechanical keyboards are great, but mechanical feel, what are those? Okay, roll the intro. Okay, so guys, here is actually the Amazon packing, which I'm just going to be tear this thing out. There you go. Actually, they have not done quite a good job in packaging this thing. These are just cheap tapes all around, but that does not matter. Okay, so here we go. Oh, it's actually sealed. That's pretty good. Alright, so it's a sealed package. Okay, so here is our thing. What is this thing? Alright, this is just a pin. Now for the original thing. So it is like has a lid mechanism, maybe. Yeah, it is a lid mechanism thing. And there we go. Okay, it's open now. This is the keyboard. Opens up from here. Alright, so this is a keyboard along with the card. Let's just keep this thing aside for now. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box. The box is empty. They've just packed it in a plastic one. Let me just take it out. So this is our keyboard. I have to hook it up to the computer for the RGB thing. Alright, so the keys are pretty good. Here you can see, here is the branding of the brand, and feels quite good. Okay, so it really does a good job in that mechanical feel thing. Okay, now it's time to see all the RGB of this thing. Let me just hook this up to the computer. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have already hooked this up to the computer, and as for the sound, the sound is pretty good. Okay, the sound is pretty good, and there is no option to change the colors. It is just it's reading RBG, not RGB. Okay, so we can press a scroll lock to switch this RGB thing on and off. That sounds pretty cool. Like when we were working in lighting situations, we can just press a scroll lock thing. Now for the main thing, it is called gaming keyboard. So I will have to try gaming on this thing. I'll try gaming and let you know what was the experience. So after gaming for an hour, I can say the experience is good. It is not bad, but they could have dropped this mechanical and feel words. Then this keyboard would have been great. Like it costs just around $15, and RGB keyboard, that too a decent one, is way too much for $15. So at this price range, I can say it is a good one, and the mechanical feel words are just trash and nothing else. And if I could drop those mechanical and feel words, this keyboard is great at this price point. And if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be great. With that said, I'm Orko, this is Cyber Tech Talk, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.